Okay, so hello everyone. Today we are going to, through this video, we are going to learn how can we install Jupyter in our Ubuntu, that is using commands and without Anaconda, because as we know, Anaconda make our system super heavy and sometimes it get difficult to use. So we will be installing Jupyter Notebook without Anaconda. So first of all, there are few perks to install Jupyter Notebook, as they are it is super handy and easy to use, and it's very compatible with our system. So we will using Jupyter Notebook for our Python programs, and it will be advisable for you all to please install some type of ideally Python or Jupyter Notebook so that you can see all our upcoming videos on Python. So first of all, before starting, what we will do, we will zoom in our terminal using command control plus shift plus, and in this way, so it is easy for all of you to see. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to check for pip version, because without it we cannot install Jupyter Notebook. So we will be checking our pip version using command. So it's pip 3, and since I have already installed pip in my laptop because I have Python, so we can check C 20.0.2. But if you don't have, what you have to do, first of all, check for updates because it's important. And don't worry if you are not able to learn any commands, because these all will be mentioned in the description box below. So it's done. Now we will install using sudo python 3 and pip. Okay, since I already have Python pip in my system, so this is showing this. But if you don't have pip version in your system and you run this command, pip will be installed, and after that you can check using same command which we have used earlier. And yeah, so now it's showing. So after installing pip, what we have to do, first of all, we will clear. Now we have to download Jupyter Notebook. So to download Jupyter Notebook, what we have to do is sudo install Jupyter. Okay. Now, so after this, we will see all the requirements are already satisfied and have successfully downloaded Jupyter Notebooks. So once you have done it, you have to clear your system. Now, since you have installed Jupyter Notebook, now you will be thinking how can we access it, because if you see in your application or applications, it will not show Jupyter. So how can you access? So now what you have to do, you have to simply write Jupyter Notebook, and you will see a new tab will be open in your browser. From here we can access, this is our Jupyter Notebook. Now I want all my Python files at one directory only, so we will go to this. Now after reaching your directory, you have to go to new and then Python 3, and a new notebook is created for us, and you can use this to run your commands, and you will run and see. Okay, so now you will save or change the name from here, rename कर सकते हैं, and then okay, once you are done with your code, what you have to do is you are not supposed to close the tab directly. What you have to do, you have to go to file and then close and hold, and then leave and quit. Okay, you have shut down Jupyter. Now we can close the tab. When once we have closed, you will see we have returned to our original terminal and namespace. So we can here type clear. So we can type here and we are done. So these were the few commands that you can use to install Jupyter Notebook in your laptop without Anaconda, without making your system heavy. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions, please mention it in the comment box. And all the commands are already will be given in the description box. Thank you.